Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be talking about how you can promote optimal fetal positioning and also help a posterior baby to turn around. If you want to know more about optimal fetal positioning and the different positions a baby can take in the womb, do see our previous video. So ideally we want the baby to be in the anterior position, which means that it is head down facing the mom's back. Now, most babies turn into the head down position by week 32. However, some babies are in the posterior position, which means they are head down but they are facing the mom's belly. Now, we have discussed in the previous video why this is not ideal, as it can cause back labor and make the baby's descent into the birth canal longer. So, to promote anterior position, the best thing we can do is to get gravity on our side. To understand this, it is important to know that it's the back of the baby's head and the upper back which is the heaviest part of the baby's body, and they naturally gravitate to the lowest part in the womb. So if this is the baby and this is the pelvis, if the pelvis is tilted back a lot, then the back of the baby's head will naturally gravitate to the back of the pelvis, and the baby is more likely to settle in the posterior position. However, if the pelvis is tilted forward, the back of the baby's head will gravitate towards the front and the baby is more likely to settle in the anterior position.
So to avoid posterior position, avoid slouching back on the couch, bed or chair, which causes the pelvis to tilt back. Also avoid crossing your legs while sitting, as it reduces the space in the front of the pelvis. Instead, try to sit upright with your hips slightly above your knees, as this helps maintain a good posture and prevents the pelvis from rolling backwards. Better still, you can also sit leaning forward by sitting backwards on a chair or sitting on your heels with the knees wide apart, leaning forward on a birthing ball or stool. You should also spend some time on all fours, which also helps in nudging a posterior baby to turn around. You should maintain a good posture even while standing so that you're not slouching and your pelvis is upright.
Hope you found this video useful and it will help you have a better pregnancy and labor experience. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, bye-bye.